Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Helloscribe, a tool that claims to instantly generate new ideas for PR, marketing, and ad campaigns with AI-powered tool. It's an AI copywriting tool with a focus on PR, marketing, and ad campaigns. So you have many short form formats with the AI trained to get specific results. The tool has many languages I'm going to show you, and they're just pretty good. You can get the tier 1 and then you get 15k words generated per month. But if you buy the tier 2, you get unlimited words and 5 users. So there's a pretty good deal that you can even, share with different users. And I'm gonna show you how the tool works. Remember that right now on AppSumo they have the Black Friday deal. So if you get the tier 2, you're gonna get 10% off, and if you have plus, so 20% off, almost 20% off. So what you can do here is to use the tools or to create a new project. You can relate to a website or no. So I'm gonna create a new project here. I'm gonna see how it works. So inside that project, I can use one of those tools. For instance, let's start with the question creator. You can see here that I can change the language input, and the language output. I have many languages you can see here. And we're going to work with the English. Let's say research. So I started on the impact, lifetime deals, market. So detailed, and we're gonna use that search tool. So I start on the impact of the lifetime deals in the SaaS market. What's your favorite software subscription? What's your opinion on lifetime deals? They will create a research for you. What are your thoughts on lifetime deals for software products? Okay. So here's to create research. Let's see the quote maker. That's cool. So I want to create a quote about death and tragedy of life. So the tone sad, right? So death is a part of life and it's always sad, but it's also inevitable and it's our duty to accept it graciously. Death is a natural part of life, but it's always sad. Death is a part of life. It's something that we all have to go through. We can choose to let it affect us negatively or positively. It's up to us. So let's see another one. Line Genius. So article headlines. Google Ad headline, SEO meta description. So the types of human rights conventions. You can always select the tones. 5 types of human rights conventions you might not know about. Human rights convention, what they are, why we need them. Human rights conventions, how they affect you. Are you ready for rights convention, the importance of human rights conference? So it's pretty cool. Book title about human rights in the United States. Too short. About human rights in the United States in the 21st century. Okay, basic. A history of human rights in the United States. The rights of all. A history of the United States in the 19th century. The rights of all. The rights of all Americans. American human rights. So they will give you the book titles. Media pitch, tell your story. So you want to get some form, your media contacts with me, your whole SEO, your name, Igor, your company. This is the story about how I disrupted the market. So the tool will generate a media pitch for you. Story that I think would be perfect for Forbes. It's a story about how I disrupted the tech market. Started So they will create the whole email for you for the media pitch. Overall, the results are great. Writer's toolkit, blog intro, conclusion, outline, essay outline. It can help a lot. I like it. I like Helloscribe. I like the kind of tool that they have. Let's see the question creator. We already saw that one. Creative writing, storyteller, logline, plot summary. So plot summary about a girl that hears death and live on generate. Let's see that one about creative writing. To generate more than one input, and you can click here to generate more. About a girl that fears death and life, she spends her days living in a state of constant fear. She's terrified of the dark and she's terrified of the future. She doesn't know if she wants to live or die. One day she meets a man who tells her about a world outside of this one. Blah blah blah. So they will create a plot for you. That's a pretty good tool. I like it. I'm thinking about it. I may buy it. I think the results are pretty precise, and I like how it's easy to create new outputs. So remember that you can get it for almost 20% off on AppSumo. I hope you'll have liked that review. If you like it, take a look at the tool. I have added the link with the best price in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye.